Portsmouth, Virginia is currently at the center of a massive capital infusion. We aren't just looking at a coastal quiet city, we're looking at an economic engine fueled by $1 billion in airport expansions and the $3.9 billion Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel project. This is a submarket anchored by some of the most stable employers in the country, including the Norfolk Naval Shipyard and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The city's location along the Elizabeth River offers picturesque waterfront views and recreational opportunities, making it an attractive place to live for residents seeking a high quality of life. However, despite this influx of high-quality jobs and infrastructure, the local housing stock hasn't kept pace. We are seeing a significant gap in the market. While the current average rent for this asset is $1,038, the market potential has proven to be much higher. With current one-bedroom rents of this property averaging $978, newer and renovated assets in the area are demonstrating a significant loss-to-lease delta, over 15%, that is simply being left on the table. Local residents and visitors are drawn to historic districts like Old Town, but the supply of modern, renovated units remains tight. Today, we're analyzing a vehicle designed specifically to capture that growth. The Flatside Gum Drive. This is the 16-unit multifamily asset offered at $1.845 million. It is a quintessential value add play where the infrastructure work is largely done, leaving the new owner to focus entirely on capturing the lease of alpha. This property represents a unique opportunity to enter a diverse economy with industries such as shipbuilding, healthcare, education contributing to long-term stability. Chapter 1. The location, the proximity to economic anchors. The value of any multifamily asset begins and ends with the path to progress. The Flatside Gum Drive is strategically positioned within 10 minutes of major regional hubs like the Bon Secours Maryview Medical Center and the Portsmouth City Public Schools headquarters. The property sits in the shadow of a Hampton Roads transformation. $3.9 billion Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel expansion, scheduled for completion in spring 2027, will fundamentally change the transit dynamics of the submarket by improving connectivity between Norfolk and Hampton. The casino effect. In January 2023, the $340 million Rivers Casino opened its doors in Portsmouth. This has become a vibrant hub of tourism, generating a significant employment opportunities and boosting patronage at nearby hotels. Military stability. The Norfolk Naval Shipyard is a major United States Navy shipyard located right here in Portsmouth. As one of the largest employers in the region, it provides a stable tent base of thousands of civilian and military personnel essential for maintaining the Navy's fleet. Regional connectivity. Residents enjoy easy access to I-264 and I-464, providing a seamless commute to broader Hampton Roads employment centers. Institutional neighbors. The property is also close to Tidewater Community College and the U.S. Coastal Guard, ensuring a constant stream of demand from government and educational sectors. Airport expansion. The $1 billion expansion of Norfolk International Airport, including a new customs facility and concourse expansion, further cements the region's status as a growing logistics and travel hub. Surf park development. The $350 million Atlantic Surf Park project, supported by Pharrell Williams, will bring a massive surf park and entertainment district to the region, enhancing the lifestyle appealing of living in the Portsmouth area. Chapter 2. Asset quality, the physical upside. The Flatside Gum Drive consists of 16 units across buildings, originally in 1972 and renovated in 1982, situated on a 0.75-acre lot at 3593-3607 Gum Drive. Unit mix balance. The property offers a perfectly balanced split: 8 one-bedroom, one-bath units and 8 two-bedroom, two-bath units. Square footage. Total rentable area is about 9,600 square feet, with an average unit size of 600 square feet. Mechanical de-risking. The heavy lifting on the exterior has already been initiated. The property features substantial upgrades, including a new roof, new windows, exterior paint, and fresh landscaping. The value add play. Currently, 15 of the 16 units are fully updated. This means a new owner can focus their capital on renovating the last unit to match the modern standard already proven to work on this asset. Price per unit. An asking price of $115,000 per unit. The entry point allows for a significant margin compared to the replacement cost of new construction. Efficiency. The property's layout and recent exterior work mean the near-term capital expenditure can be focused strictly on interior revenue, driving improvements. Desirability. The renovated units already showcase what is possible, featuring modern finishes that appeal to a professional demographic working at nearby medical and military centers. Chapter 3. Financial upside. Capturing the loss-to-lease. The numbers tell a compelling story, untapped potential here at 15.2 loss-to-lease scenario, providing a clear roadmap for NOI growth. The yield jump. The current cap rate sits at a respectable 7%. However, by executing a stabilization plan and moving towards market rents, the year one cap rate is projected to expand to 8.69. Gross scheduled rent is currently $199,368. By capturing the market rent potential through unit turns, the pro forma year one gross rent is projected at $237,000. Cash on cash return, and with a 30% down payment of $555,000, the current cash on cash returns at 6.09. As units are marked to market, That return is projected to reach 11.71% by the end of the first year. Total effective gross income, including other income, is expected to rise to $204,245. There is a significant opportunity for other income, including utility billbacks, other fees, which are projected to grow from $17,000 to $22,000. The GRM is projected to move from 9.26 down to 7.7 in year one, signaling a rapid increase in the property's investment value. Occupancy. While the property has historically performed well, we are modeling for 94% economic occupancy to remain conservative during the transition period. Chapter 4. Underwriting logic, a conservative approach. To build a sustainable investment, you have to underwrite for reality while managing for growth. We built this model with institutional grade scrutiny. Expense ratio. The current operations reflect an expense ratio of 37%. We've modeled a year one ratio at 35% as the asset stabilizes under professional management. Tax adjustment. We have proactively adjusted the real estate taxes in year one pro forma, increasing them from $12,000 to $23,000. This ensures the projected returns account for post-sale reassessments. Management and reserves. The underwriting includes an 8% management fee to ensure professional oversight and an operating reserve of $4,000 to handle ongoing maintenance requirements. Utility management. Year one projections include a more efficient water and sewer management strategy, reducing the line item from $9,500 to $7,200 through the implementation of better conservation measures. Debt coverage. At the proposed $1.2 million loan amount with a 6.25% interest rate, the property maintains a debt coverage ratio of 1.35, currently moving to year one at 1.68. Financing terms. The model assumed a 10-year term, 30-year amortization, providing a long-term stability and manageable annual loan constant of 7.39. Operating reserves. We are setting aside $250 per unit annually in reserves to ensure the asset remains a Class A condition or vintage, projecting the long-term exit value. Chapter 5. Market comps. Proving the thesis. The data confirms that the acquisition price of $115,000 per unit is positioned well within the market flow, providing immediate equity through market comparison. Sales comps. Looking at recent trades, 1007 Green Street sold in March 24 over $122 per unit. Even 259 Broad Street, a vintage 1920 asset, traded for $129 per unit in early 2025. 201 Dixie Avenue, just down the street, closed for $112,000 per unit. Rent comparables. Our one-bedroom units currently average $978. The potential for these units is $1,200, representing a massive upside as the remaining units are renovated. Two-bedroom comps. Our two-bedroom units currently average $1,099. Market comparables like 337 Mount Vernon Avenue are achieving over $1,300 for two-bedroom layout. This confirms our year one projection of $1,250 and a conservative target. Price per square foot. At $1.92 per square foot, the price reflects the superior mechanical condition and recent renovations of the asset compared to the average sales comp of $130 per square foot. Averages comparison. The sales average for this submarket is roughly $112,000 per unit. Our price of $115 is negligible premium for an asset that already had its roof and windows replaced. Absorption. The low vacancy rates across the rent comparables, some as low as 4%, prove that there is high demand for a specific unit type in the 23707 zip code. Invalidation. By bringing the average rent to $1,225 across the board, the property will be perfectly aligned with the averages of the top performing assets in the immediate neighborhood. The investment thesis for the flats at Gum Drive is clear. You're buying into a submarket with billions of dollars in committed infrastructure anchored by the U.S. Navy, the regional medical community, and the New Rivers Casino. You're acquiring an asset where the exterior risks and interior risks have largely been mitigated, with new roofs and windows leaving a clear path to capture the 15.2 loss and lease through interior renovations. With a stabilized year one cash on cash return projected at 11.7% and a cap rate moving to 8.69, this is a high-performing addition to any multifamily portfolio. Then transition from $129,000 in current NOI to over $160,000 in year one NOI is a realistic, achievable goal for an experienced operator. Here are the next steps. 1. Access the offering memorandum. This document contains the full line item operating statement, unit mix details, and detailed location analysis. 2. Review the physical upgrades. Take a closer look at the units that have already been updated to understand the quality standards required to achieve market rent. And 3. Schedule a showing. All property showings are appointment only. Please contact me to coordinate your visit. Don't let the rent gap be someone else's profit. Contact us today to discover how the flats at Gum Drive fits into your acquisition strategy and how you can take advantage of the growth currently so we go through Portsmouth.